Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. So, this is my secure profile project. So, this is my code, and now I explain my code. So, in the first line is a public class user profile. So, what is public class user profile? So, it's defined a public class name user profile. This class represents as user profile with information like user name, password, and email. So now we have a private string username. So, and also private string password and private string email. So these are fields, variables that store data for each user. They are marked private, protect data, meaning they can't be accessed directly from outside the class for security and encapsulation. So now in public user profile. So this is a constructor, especially when method that runs when you create a new user profile object. And this that username equal username assign the provide user to the field. And set password calls the setter to validate the password before saving it. And set email calls the setter to validate the email. And ang purpose niya is to initialize a new user profile simply when valid data. So now in a public string, get username and return username. And public void set username, string username. This that username equal username. So this method let other parts of the program and read and update the username. So get username, so returns the current username, and set username is allows changing the username. And what is their purpose? So control access to the user field. So now public void set password. So this method is check if the password is not null and it has at least 8 characters. So need niya og 8 ka characters ang imong password. So if valid, save the password. If not, throws an exception. So error message. So what there is purpose? So unsa ang ilang purpose? To make sure user have strong password. So now is nanata sa public string get email and public void set email. So ang get email is return the email and a set email is check if the email. So it's not null and it contains a symbol. So amo yato yatong symbol siya sa email. So need yato siya, and also if invalid throws an exception. And uno iyahang purpose to ensure only valid email addresses are stored. So now yari na kita sa public void display profile. And amo ito sang system.out.print username, email, and password. So prints the user details but hides the real password, shows a characteristic instead of. So, what is their purpose? So, ano yung mga purpose ani nila? So, ang purpose nila kay to display user info safety without revealing the password. So, now, yari na kita sa public static void main. So, amo ning ang main method that runs the program. So, kaning try bitaw og catch kay i-handles niya ang possible errors. Tapos, create a new user profile object with the valid details and calls display profile to show the information and the commented lines. User set password short R for testing invalid inputs that void trigger the validation errors. And if an error occurs, it prints error message. And unoy purpose ani niya, aning main method. So, ang purpose niya is to test how the class works and handle any invalid inputs gracefully. So, ang overall purpose sa program nako is to user profile class is to store details, username, password in email, and protect sensitive data password, and validate user input, password, strength, and email format. So, provide safety when to display and update user information. So, now is yadi ang ako ang output. So, amo ini ang akong output when the ang akong code is kung mura na siya is amo na ini iyang out. So, as you can see no, nakita na to din niya ang username kay iyang gikuan ang Julie Jane iyang gibutang. So kung uno yatong nakabutang nato sa tong system out that print is amo subject to ang iyang kuan execute. So this come from system out that username. So amo yato no. So ang sunod is iyang gibutang ang atoang kuan atong email. So nga din nato gibutang atong email no sa system out that print gihapon. So nga din nato gigawas niya ang atong email kung unoy email na to, and also the password is diri so di ba nabutang kitag password dito, makita sa itong password dito po, pero pag mura na siya is dili na niya makita kung unoy password nimo. So the password is not shown for security reason. Instead of printing the real password, the method prints asterisk to hide it. And so the construction successfully create a user with a valid information. So, amo dayad to, and the program did not throw any error because the password and email was validation. And the output show that username and email clearly but hides the password for privacy and security. And that's all, ma'am, and thank you. So gakuan ko Andrea ma'am no kanang iyang video nga naa sa kuan ma'am application nakaloon. So amo na din ini pag iparan siya ma'am, amo na din iyang output. And thank you.